Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you have already subscribed, welcome back. Today I am making another quick and easy recipe. I am making some black Haitian bean sauce with some white rice and some turkey stew. And for the turkey stew, I'm simply going to add some okra. For starter, I have already washed the meat. I'm simply going to season the meat. I am using the spicy meat seasoning today. And the spicy meat seasoning is an all-in-one seasoning, so I'm not adding no extra salt. Everything is already in there. I'm adding a little bit of water. Then I'm going to put it over the stove and let the turkey meat cook. And while the turkey meat is cooking, I'm going to take the time to do some cleaning. And if you are new here, guys, welcome again. My name is Claude Mott. I am the owner and founder of Le Bongo Seasoning. Le Bongo Seasoning is an e-commerce website where I sell organic blend seasoning. And in this channel, I not only post quick and easy recipe, I also share a lot of small business tip, packaging video where I'll show you guys how I run my business. So if you are into this type of content, please consider subscribing. Now that the black beans are ready, to make the black beans, I'm simply going to blend it. As I mentioned earlier, when I'm making black beans, I like to let my beans cook fully because I like my black beans thick. I don't like it to be too watery. So I'm simply going to blend it, and after that I'm going to strain it. At the beginning, if I didn't mention, when I was cooking the beans, I added some coconut oil and I added 2 full spoons of the green seasoning. Now that the beans is fully blended to the consistency that I like, I'm simply going to heat up some coconut oil and saute some more of the green seasoning. Then I'm going to use a strainer to strain the beans puree. And after that, I'm simply going to add some seasoning salt, some butter, and a little bit of more of the coconut oil, and simply allow it to simmer. And as you can see, the black bean sauce has a nice consistency. It is not too watery. So I'm just going to let it simmer some more. In the meantime, I'm going to get ready and start preparing to make the sauce. I'm going to cut some onions and bell pepper. As I mentioned earlier, I will be adding some okra in the turkey stew. For the turkey stew, I'm simply going to saute some tomato sauce. Then I'll be adding the turkey meat without the water to give it a nice color. And after that, I'll add the water that the turkey meat was cooked in. And then add some seasoning salt, add the bell peppers and onions, and also allow it to simmer. Then we will be ready to serve. And I'll be serving the black bean sauce puree with the turkey sauce over some white jasmine rice. And that is mostly it. This is what the turkey stew looks like. And this is the white jasmine rice, black bean sauce, and now we are simply going to get ready to serve. And here is the final recipe. This is the black bean sauce, and this is what the meal looks all together. This came out perfect. It is one of my favorite. I love a good black bean sauce. It is chef kiss, super delicious. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. I hope my direction was very easy to follow. If you like this type of content, please remember to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Bye now. Cooking made easy.